Welcome to the last day of 5 builds in 5 days. Start today, I need to actually wrap up a set of Genesis coupe lights. This set here was for a full color shifting set. That build has already shipped out, but we had an accident on this set right here. Look right here, this fully cracked. This whole piece came off. We just glued it back and we'll just do a slight polish on it to kind of knock down that line that's there. But since this one cracked, we had to buy a whole other set and build the other set for the customer because we can't ship out something that's broken. I also don't want this just sitting in here. So what I'm gonna do is just gonna go ahead and do some small modifications to it, really just some plug and play type stuff, and then get it assembled so I can sell it to someone else. Another reason I have to do the small plug and play type stuff is because several of the pieces that should go in this are actually already gone. We were modifying them, we were moving too quick before we even noticed that it was cracked. So the side reflector and the main reflector, those are gone, so I can't just pop them back in and reseal it and then sell it. So we're gonna do some small modifications, like we're gonna black out the side markers, the side reflector, and then we're just going to put in a 5th jewel and make it so that this light over here lights up this jewel right here. So we finished that on this light. We're going to go ahead and do that to this light. This light is not damaged in any way, but we're going to go ahead and do the mods so that they match side to side and we can get them sold. We'll probably have to sell them at a deep discount because of that crack. If we don't have the reflectors for that light anymore, we're going to go ahead and open this one, get these reflectors popped out of here so that we can use these to trace out and cut our acrylic. We have a full how-to on how to open those and mod those, so we're just gonna pop on a time lapse and get this going. There we go, got this light opened up. These are the reflectors, so we are going to, unfortunately, since this one's gone, we need to just cut out 2 of these reflectors, get that painted black, and then we are going to cut out 2 of these reflectors in acrylic and set them in place here and have it set up so that the light will bleed from this one into the 5th jewel. Same over here. This one into the 5th jewel. This is where I hide my acrylic. Found some gloss black acrylic. So what we're gonna do is trace these out just like that over here and just like that over here. And then we're gonna grab our ultrasonic cutter and get to cut. Alrighty, we have them all cut out. Now we are going to sand down these edges because these are looking really rough. So I'm just gonna put down some sandpaper and get to scrub it. Okay, we got the 2 reflectors cut out. Now it is time to actually start putting them inside of these taillight housings. We're gonna go ahead and start with this side right here. We can actually silicone these lights using some black silicone and get them properly sealed up, and then these will be done to be sold. And there we go, got these all wrapped up. Actually, we already got them listed. I've posted a couple Instagram stories, so we're gonna see if these sell. Hopefully they will. If not, I'll just keep listing them cheaper and cheaper until they finally do. Sucks to break something, but sometimes you get to make something cool out of it.